How are you all approaching the challenges that come with being a newcomer? What are the goals?
The goal is to build a better future, to build a career, a new set of family and friends, make new memories.
New beginnings can be exciting and challenging. How are newcomers to Canada navigating those challenges? I'll ask my passengers and they'll tell us. This is The Drive. It's amazing to have you guys here.
Thank you.
On The Drive. I mean, it's
we're very excited and happy to be here. Yeah.
I'm excited too. I was born in Canada. I have never gone to another country to start again. So I want to make you all know, you all are incredibly brave. So congrats on that.
And you know the hard part about it is when you leave your family behind.
Of course.
Yeah, and you just don't know if you're gonna see them again or not.
Right.
So this is really hard.
Yes. Yeah. And the fact that you've done it is amazing. Today, obviously, we're talking about being a newcomer to Canada. What brought you all to Canada? Ekin?
I came here because of education. Financially, it wasn't too much compared to other countries, and just left my family behind. Like, I stay with like a homestay family. We're very welcoming. And then I graduated high school and decided to continue university here as well in Halifax.
Kais, what brought you to Canada?
My family came here to Canada because my brother was actually settling in Halifax. He decided to make a sponsorship for my entire family because they were settling in Syria and Lebanon.
When you came to Canada, what is the first thing you did?
The first thing we did, we opened bank account. We did the driver license.
What was it like setting up the accounts?
Like, it was straightforward. We just went to the bank and we explained them that we are new immigrants. They asked us for our documents, and then they just asked us to wait for a week to receive our credit cards. Right. And as a newcomer, you don't have any credit score.
Right, because you haven't done anything.
You haven't done anything in the country.
Right.
You haven't used your credit card.
Right.
And the great thing about the bank I went to, they have something for newcomers, you don't pay fees for the first year.
Specifically for newcomers to help you do the soft landing.
Yeah, this was more encouraging as well. And I found it a very good gesture from the bank.
Ekin, what about you?
As just a 16-year-old boy, I never really handled any bank business. So I just asked what's the type of account that doesn't have any fees for students, so that my family could just send me money from abroad.
Did the bank allow you to have some sense of security?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
The bank is easygoing, and they
work with you.
Yes, they take your case very, very carefully.
How are you all approaching the financial challenges that come with being a newcomer? What are the goals?
The goal is to build a better future, to build a career, a new set of family and friends, make new memories. There
are a lot of opportunities here in Canada. You have a job, you have stability. It took a couple of months to get settled. After 3 years, you just feel home, it becomes your home.
If $500 were to fall out of the sky, how would you spend it?
I would invest like $200 in crypto. Then I would donate like $100 because why not share some goods? Of course. I would save $100. And the other $100, I would just buy something for my baby.
I'll bring a gift for my boyfriend.
Oh,
so sweet.
That's beautiful. Ekin, what about you?
Just really love Turkish food, and I still can't really get quite used to the food here. I think I would buy a doner grill machine.
And we're all invited.
I know, I was just going to say that. As a thank you for being on The Drive today, RBC would like to gift you with a $500 prepaid credit card. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, RBC.
Donairs for everybody. Turkish donairs for everybody.
Yeah, I'll get that. The driving was so safe.
Okay.
I feel so warm the whole time.